and they enjoy with the subject. Now, let us see students, things to remember. What are the things to be remembered while preparation of the NEET exam? Number one thing is, do all the subjects on regular basis. You have to read all the subjects, right? So, you should divide the time, early morning hour, you should preferably read some conceptual topics, some concept based subject, harder topic you can read early morning hours. Then in college timing, wherever you get self study hours, in that time also you have to read one subject, evening hours and night hours. Remember students, all the students after attending the college, they are getting time like this. Early morning you are having time for studies, in college study hours time, evening time and night time. So, you have to read all the 3 subjects PCB with equal preference for all the 3 subjects. Okay. Then some subjects like biology, they require multiple readings. Multiple readings means revising the things, because maximum things in biology, they are memorized topics are there, memory based topics are there, some examples are there, and those examples have to be revised again and again. Then only you can remember the biology for a long period of time. Multiple reading is required for biology. Even in chemistry also, you require revision for memory based things, like in inorganic chemistry, many things you have to remember, and for that memory based subject require many time revision. Even in physics also you have to revise many times formulae, okay, like that. And the most important, one more important thing is highlight the important things. Whenever you are referring class notes or NCERT books, wherever you are getting not understood lines or easily understood but easily forgettable points, there are 2 things to be highlighted, very important. Number 1 is not understood lines. जो आपको नहीं समझने आ रहा है उसको अंडरलाइन कीजिए, और दूसरी चीज जो समझने तो आ गया है लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल है उसको याद रखना, इजीली फॉरगेटेबल है, उसको भी हाईलाइट करके रखना है, सो दैट बिफोर एग्जाम you can recall the things on correct time. And remember students, pencil is considered as AK-47 of a student. ऐसा क्यों बोला गया? क्योंकि पेंसिल जब आप हाथ में पकड़ेंगे, रफ पेपर पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तब आपके जो भी मेमोरी बेस्ड थिंग्स हैं, कॉन्सेप्चुअल थिंग्स हैं, आपके ब्रेन में रहेंगी, रिटेन रहेंगी फॉर ए लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन रफ पेपर, जितना आप ज़्यादा रफ पेपर पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, एग्जाम में उतने ही ज़्यादा मार्क्स बढ़ेंगे. इट्स नॉट लाइक ए मूवी, वॉचिंग ए होल मूवी एंड रिमेंबरिंग द थिंग्स. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. यू रिक्वायर प्रैक्टिसिंग, राइट. रफ पेपर पे आप कंटिन्यूसली कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज डू MCQs ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. आफ्टर एवरी चैप्टर व्हेन यू अटेंड द क्लास, टेक द नोट्स. After class notes, go through the NCERT book, and after NCERT book you have to practice at least 100 questions per chapter. At least 100 question हम हर chapter में करना चाहिए, and those questions should cover all the concepts. सारे concepts cover होना चाहिए एक topic में, जितने भी concept हैं. Spend more time on weak topics. Say all we are having some weakness. सब अपने अपने weakness रखते हैं. So you have to identify your weakness and you have to give more time to your weakness so that those weakness becomes your strength. You must have noticed that in NCERT book every page is having some margin. What is the purpose of that margin? NCERT book में अगर आप देखेंगे right side एक margin है and it has a purpose. What is the purpose of those margins? उन मार्जिन्स में आप जो है अपने जो वीकनेस हैं, वीक पॉइंट हैं, वो एरिया को लिख सकते हैं. वट एवर सर इज एक्सप्लेनिंग यू द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, ए कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन और सम डेट, सम एग्जाम्पल, those things are to be written on the margin of NCERT book. And after every concept, You have to summarize the things. And how to summarize the things? You can make the flow chart. Flow chart is most important in understanding the concepts to retain the things for a long period of time. You have to read NCERT paragraph with 100% attention. After understanding the paragraph, create your questions, generate the question, think about that questions, and after discussing with yourself, with your friends,